Alright, y'all, what's the deal, man? It's JT back with another video. I believe this is my first video of the year, so clap it up for that, man. First video. I actually got a lot going on with this channel, with courses and things like that, so stay tuned, man. Watch this video to the end. So as you can see, today we are at 345.90 cents. Yesterday we had 178, and so far for the month only 608. But I just discovered something new. I've been testing on Instagram and TikTok behind the scenes, and I just came up with a solid new strategy, man. I'm about to implement and roll out for y'all. But let's refresh the screen so y'all know it's not fake. 345, same numbers. Yesterday 178, same numbers. If we go on the ClickBank, made a little bit of money today. Refresh the screen. Scroll down, 36, only 36. Hold on, I'm shooting this text out. 2 seconds. 36 today so far, 70 yesterday, 70 the day before, 34, 82, 145, 21, blah, blah, blah. Decent results. Refresh it one more time. Same numbers. Okay. Refresh again. Oh, now we at 349. So went up $5 in the last 30 seconds to a minute. Next thing, this text just threw my whole train of thought off. But yeah, everything you can all the results you see on screen, you can learn inside of my Fast Lane affiliate course and my 7-figure affiliate course also. So I'm running a 2-for-1 bundle right now. You can get the Fast Lane affiliate course, which is this one. The Fast Lane affiliate course is basically breaking down the ClickBank done for you campaign. So all the results you see on screen right here. The 7-figure affiliate course is breaking down pretty much the same exact thing, just in max bounty form. And you can see I make more money with max bounty. Yeah, so I'm running a 2-for-1 bundle deal right now. You can get both courses for the price of one for only $25. Trying to see. Oh. Later on today, what time is it right now? Let me see. Date and time. Right now in Arizona is 1:00 p.m. So later today, I'm about to drop a YouTube video breaking down this exact new strategy for 2026. I'm telling you, y'all gonna love this. So yeah, I'll be dropping that video in probably the next 7 to 10 hours. Be on the lookout for it. Meantime, between time, get access to this bundle deal before I roll out the new course and all the other stuff, because I will be discontinuing everything else. But yeah, man, links will be in the description or in the comment section down below, and I will see y'all in later video today.